Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Brian, the product manager for Dupli-Color and VHT. Sitting here next to me is our 1979 Chevy El Camino, sitting here in a warehouse in Northern Ohio. Now this car has been sitting here for over 10 years. And back in the day, we restored this car, true half and half restoration to show what can be done with Dupli-Color and VHT products. We left half of it completely original, the other half re-restored 100%. It came out great. We did a full series of YouTube videos, and we're here once again to get this car pulled out of the warehouse, dusted off, has a good layer of dust on it, find out if this car even runs. It's been parked, like I said, for over 10 years. Once we find out it runs, we're to strip it down and completely restore it 100% with Dupli-Color and VHT products. Bring it up to date. You guys are going to love what we're going to do with this car, so make sure you stay tuned. So this El Camino has been sitting for over 10 years, and really the first thing we want to find out is, will it still run? It ran when it parked, so I don't see why it wouldn't run. But first thing we're going to do is check all the fluids. I doubt if it has any gas left in the tank, because I think it was drained one of the last times we used it or before we put it away for storage, so I have to check the gas. Just go through a few odds and ends here under the hood, throw a new battery in it. We'll turn the key, see if it cranks, put a little bit of gas on the carburetor, see if it'll fire off. If it does, go from there. All right, we got the battery replaced. The oil level is good for now, but since we have some power, we at least want to find out if it'll turn over. So Mark, go ahead and hit the key and see if the thing will crank. Sweet. All right, so it cranks. So now we move on to the next step. Got to put a little bit of gas down the carburetor just to fill up the float bowl and see if it'll fire off. All right, well, we know it cranks over. I got gas filled up in the float bowl. I put a little bit down the carburetor, so I'm going to have Mark turn the key, and we'll see if this thing will kick over. Go ahead, Mark. Put a little bit more gas in it. Go ahead and try it, Mark. Hit it again. All right, well, we know it'll run. Obviously, there's some carburation issues that we need to sort out, but you know, the good thing is it runs. It sounds pretty decent. I don't hear any internal noises, so we'll figure out the carburetor issues, and then we'll change the oil and take it from there. All right, just filling up the float bowl with a little bit of gas right here. Put a little bit down the carburetor throat. We rebuilt the carburetor, put a fuel pump on it. We got the battery hooked up, so hopefully this thing will finally fire up and stay running on its own. I do have an auxiliary gas can, so it's not gonna be pumping gas from the tank. We'll have fresh gas going into this thing, so go ahead, Mark, and hit the key and we'll see what happens. Stand clear. All right, well, at least we know it runs. Obviously, it has a little bit of trouble idling on its own. It just wants to stall, but it runs. It sounds good. The motor doesn't have any internal noises. So we're definitely good to go here, and I think the next steps are going to be getting this thing torn apart and start pulling the motor out. Now, if you're just as excited as we are about this El Camino project, then join us live on Dupli-Color's Facebook page Thursday, January 28th at 7 p.m. Eastern. We'll go through this entire project. We'll talk about your own projects that you have in your garage and anything else you want to know about Dupli-Color products. Tune in next week when the wrenches start flying as we pull the driveline out, clean everything up, and prep it for paint. To keep up on the latest from Dupli-Color, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and visit duplicolor.com. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more great videos from Dupli-Color.